We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and the post notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a video. Today is Sunday and I have been working this morning, but I decided to get the kids out of the house, so I'm going to pick them up and take them to the beach so they can play in the sand. Not too much on the water because we live on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and if you aren't familiar with our beaches, the water is shit. Use my language. That's the only way I know how to describe it. It's brown and it's yucky, so. But they also have a splash pad right by the beach, so I'm probably gonna let them play on the splash pad before we go to the beach. I don't know. But yeah, I'm headed to pick them up, and I'll see y'all when I get them. First, I have to stop by the dollar store so I can try to get some beach toys and a little small cooler. I can put some water and stuff in there. So yeah, this should be fun. I'll see y'all then. Okay, this is the fit check. Well, I'm wearing to the beach. It's really an exercise fit, but whatever. Here's the kids. They're ready to go.
I vlog, which is one. I'm vlog with my towel.
Look, she's got two different Crocs on. They'll be all right.
That'll be all right.
Huh?
I got my thing. I bet. My towel.
All right, go put this stuff in the trunk. I got a bunch of waters in here. Everybody already ate lunch, so no need to pack anything else. We're not gonna be there for long anyway. Probably like an hour. Everybody needs to put seatbelts on.
There's a tire back here.
I know that.
My papa pizza. I need this. Hi, Logan.
All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get in the dollar store.
He going to the beach.
I also have some kites down there. Alright, we've made it to the beach, as you can see. It's real quiet out here today. Nobody's in this area. But this is where we live, y'all. Like 10 minutes from the beach. Look at all the birds. Y'all want to see the water? It's shitty water. Here is the water. That is the Gulf of Mexico, you guys.
I gotta take a picture.
my blanket up.
It's hard.
So Layla broke that one, but whatever. There is Minnie.
Ooh.
Minnie Mouse up in the air.
Hi, Minnie Mouse.
He got to look that far.
Daddy good at flying. Oh, Minnie Mouse.
Jazz right here by mommy, of course, as always. Playing with the dump truck. I think he's having more fun than the kids.
This is good. I'll use my superpowers to get this out.
Jazzy! Hi!
Take you to Batman. You just wanna run out in the zone with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Hit me up my phone. I just told me one word, shy. I ain't giving a thing but one more shy. I got plenty that you make a run for shy. I love that shit, but then love for my body. Into it, put my watch. Into it.
What did you find?
Better. The gray. And that's it.
Then you,
Where is it?
I don't know. You put everything in the sand.
I told you not to do it.
So how many feathers did you find?
5.
5?
Yeah. I found it.
Oh, look. What is that?
Shell.
Yeah, we found that too.
Yeah.
You think you're going to find anything else?
Let's go see.
Let's go see.
Going on the other side. You want to let her get them water bottles and take them out there to the garbage can like that?
We don't have no sunscreen on. But I need some sun anyway.
Mama,
But
can we go back? Before we go back home, can we go snacks from those stores?
we have snacks at the house.
Well, Mama, it's going to take forever, and I'm hungry.
They didn't have an umbrella at the dollar store, so we have no shade. I've been putting this blanket over my head.
Daddy,
She's hot.
my daddy and Darian is going to look for feathers.
Look, y'all, they're way down there. I'm not walking that far.
Me neither. They had me struggling. I found a baby feather.
Mm-hmm.
Can I go give it to him?
It's a pretty Sunday.
And guys, we got to go in the morning.
We brought them to the splash pad so they can get all that sand off of them. They got it all in our car. But yeah, we had a good time at the beach.